Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Grant McClay. Sandy Shores and Great Outdoors, they a little bit more. Got some tips and tricks. You have a fire extinguisher in your house, okay? We're going to do a quick little service on it, okay? I'm just going to grab mine here. And I get off the wall. Okay, it's just a little guy. But if you've got an extinguisher in your truck, in your house, been sitting around, this is a powder extinguisher. What is it now? It's a B and C, so it's fuel and electrical, okay? And if as they sit or they're in your vehicle and they're shaking, right, like this, they're vibrating, bumpy roads and that stuff, what'll happen is it'll pack to the bottom, right? So when you need this thing, you go, whoo, right? The center, the pipe is in the center from the valve, goes right down to the center of the bottom. If it's packed hard, it's going to blow the center out of the powder and it'll leave a shell all around the inside, okay? So take a hammer. This is just a little rubber mallet or plastic rubber mallet. And tap the bottom. Hold it like this. Hold it one finger and tap the bottom and you'll feel it. It'll go tick, 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 dung, dung, dung. It'll bounce. You'll feel it. It'll be springy. Then you'll know it. Okay? Listen. It's springy now. It went from tick, tick, tick to boom, boom, boom. And that's how you service your extinguishers. See, different sound altogether. Top to bottom. Here it's springy now. But that'll save you. That'll give you at least 80 to 90% of your extinguisher. Better than just blowing out the center, right? Because it'll go whoop. Might you get less than a minute, right? Less than a minute. And always shoot your extinguisher at the base of the flame, right? A burner's cooking or a brush fire or something like, right into the base of it, right? If you can, like, if it's not, get your wits about you, and if it's not too dangerous, but it's in a bad area, get right up to it and just, whoop, take the thing out, okay? Put it right out. And, yeah, you'll be all right. Electrical, find the source of the power first. Click, come in. If it's cooking around the box, the plug-in or whatever, whoop, right, take it out. Take it out. But tips and tricks. And make sure you put your extinguisher in a place that everyone knows where it's at. And even have a drill, right? Even have a fire drill. It never hurts. I got mine in my kitchen, right up on the wall. Right? Everybody sees it. The furnace is right here. Right? Furnace is right here. If I have a problem, the electrical plug-in, thermostat off. Emergency furnace switch, shut off. Breaker box. Right? Breaker box. But it could be anywhere. It could happen anywhere. It could happen in the plug-ins of your dryers, right? Clock radios, whatever have you. Clock radios, TVs, could be anything. So, just a quick tips and tricks. This video might be backwards. No, I got a new editing system. I can turn it around. Okay, friends. Thank you so kindly for watching. If you like this, thumbs up. Please subscribe. Leave a comment. Bye for now.